Today we are driving to the beautiful mountains located in Las Cruces, New Mexico, commonly known as the Organ Mountains for its ragged shape. These mountains were named by passing Spanish colonists who thought they looked like a pipe organ. We're coming here for a total body yoga workout that you can accomplish in just 10 minutes. So if you're pressed for time, but don't want to miss your daily workout, this is perfect for you. So grab your mat, take a deep breath, and let's get flowing. From the Organ Mountains in Las Cruces, New Mexico, to you. Find yourself in a comfortable seated position, legs crossed, shoulders relaxed, and crown of the head pointing up to the sky. Let's open up our session with 3 breaths. As we inhale, we bring the arms overhead. Exhale, bring the hands down. Inhale, rising up. Exhale, bring the hands down. Inhale, rise up to the sky, palms together. Exhale, hands to heart center, and bow your head. Honoring yourself through this practice, begin to extend the legs forward in Dandasana. Seal the space between the inner thighs. Flex your feet, take a deep inhale, rise up to the sky. Exhale, reach forward for your toes or your ankles. With soft shoulders and neck, bring your chin to chest, round up your back. Let's place the right foot against the left inner thigh. Inhale, rising up to the sky. Exhale, reach for your left toes or your left ankle. Continue reaching forward as you relax your neck and your shoulders. Chin to chest, round up your back. Switch legs. Inhale, rise up to the sky. Exhale, reach for your right toes or your right ankle. Continue breathing nice and slow. Chin to chest, round up your back. Slowly begin to find your hands and knees on the ground. Inhale, chin up to the sky in cow. Exhale, bring the chin down in cat. Couple more times. Inhale, chin up. Exhale, chin down. Inhale, chin up. Exhale, chin down. Come back to neutral back, engage your toes, and let us find our first downward facing dog. Walking your dog by flexing one leg at a time. You can come forward into plank to find the right length of your dog and go back into downward facing dog without moving your hands and feet. Carefully with your right hand, reach for your left ankle as you look under your left arm. Let's switch left hand to the right ankle as you look under your right arm. Come back to center to downward facing dog, pressing both heels down onto the ground. Inhale, left foot goes up. Exhale, step forward between your hands. Begin to walk the hands over to the right side, right in between your feet, pointing the toes out. Bend both knees, stretching the hips. Exhale, extend your legs. Doing that for a couple of times as you bend the knees, extending your legs as you exhale. Inhale, bending your knees. Exhale, extending. Keeping your left hand down onto the ground, extend your right arm up to the sky, open and twist. Inhale, bring the right hand down. Exhale, open and twist to the left side. Inhale, bring the left hand down onto the ground. Exhale, reach for both ankles, bringing the crown of the head down onto the ground. Slowly begin to place the hands right in the center of your feet. Bend both knees And bring the arms up into Cactus Pose. Stay here in Goddess for a couple of breaths. Inhale, reach up to the sky, extend your legs. Exhale, sink the hips low. Inhale, rising up to the sky. Exhale, sink the hips low. Inhale, rising up. Exhale, sink the hips low. Maintain the weight on your legs as your left arm rests on top of your left thigh. Extend your right arm over your ear. And let's do it on the opposite side. Keep the weight down and low. Bring it back to center, flowing forward to the top of the mat. Extend your left leg back into plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale in cobra. Engage your toes, downward facing dog. Let's take a couple of breaths here, and now that you know where we're going, let's repeat on the other side. Inhale, right foot goes up. Exhale, step through. Begin to walk both hands over to the left side, opening your feet out, relaxing your head and shoulders. Bend the knees as you inhale, exhale, extend. Inhale, bend both knees. Exhale, extend. Inhale, bend. Exhale, extend. Walk both hands over to the left ankle as you continue extending your legs. Gently walk both hands over to the right ankle and continue stretching the back of your legs. Let's walk the hands back to center, bend both knees, and find Goddess Pose. Inhale, rise up to the sky, extending your arms or legs. Exhale, sink the hips low. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, sink the hips low. Inhale, rising. Exhale, sink the hips low. Maintain it here. Continue breathing. Inhale, reaching over to the right side as you extend the left arm over your ear. And then let's do it on the opposite side. Inhale, flowing forward to the top of the mat. Step back with your right leg into plank. Exhale, chaturanga. Inhale, release your toes in cobra. Exhale, come back to 4 points, tabletop. Flow the hips around in one direction, and then moving in the opposite direction. Begin to find a seated position on your mat. Extend your legs forward in Dandasana. Seal the space between the inner thighs. Inhale, rise up. Exhale, reach for your toes or your ankles. Remember soft shoulders and neck as you continue extending your arms forward. Bring your chin to chest, round up your back. Begin to lay down on your mat as you draw the knees onto your chest. Rest the knees to your right side as you extend the left arm and gaze over the left shoulder. Switch, resting the knees on the left side, supine twist. Bring it back to center. Extend your legs and your arms over your head. Give yourself a long toe stretch before we find a comfortable position to enter a practice of Shavasana. As we tap into the space of stillness, relaxation, and peace, we stay focused on our breath, feeling the rhythm of our breath and staying mindful on the ebbs and flows of our inhales and exhales. Gently begin to bring your awareness back into your body, opening and closing your hands. Give yourself another long toe stretch, and slowly draw the knees onto your chest Sway side to side, massaging your back and lower back. Lay down on one side, whichever side your body prefers, and fetus pose. Nice and gently begin to find a seated position on your mat. Meeting me in Sukhasana, easy pose, with your legs crossed, shoulders down and back, and the crown of the head pointing up to the sky. We seal the practice with 3 breaths. As we inhale, we rise up to the sky. Exhale, bring the hands down. Inhale, rising up. Exhale, bring the hands down. One more time, inhale, rising up, palms together. Exhale, hands to heart center and bow your head. Your body is your divine temple. Take care of it. From the Organ Mountains in Las Cruces, New Mexico, Namaste.